How to send audio music on WhatsApp. To get started, first of all, open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be brought to the chats page. Here, you can view all your chats with friends on WhatsApp. Open any chat from here. In this chat, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the plus icon. Then tap on Document to share a document in this chat. Here, you can select from where you want to choose the document from. For example, tap on Choose from Files. Now, you can choose a document from your files. If you want to send audio music, then open an audio folder in your files, for example, Spotify. Then select the music from here. Then, tap on Open at the top right corner. Now, tap on the Send button at the bottom right corner. You have now successfully sent the music in this chat. Following these steps, you can easily send audio music on WhatsApp.